What's up, guys? It's Josh. Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'm here with the ice cream sandwich creeper mod. And this is just a really strange yet funny and awesome mod that I've just had a ton of fun messing around with. It's one of those mods that are just hilarious to play around with and serve no great purpose other than just to have a ton of fun in the game. So, the whole premise of this mod was the mod creator wanted to make the ability to have ice cream in the game. And what they did was do this and express this through creepers. So let's first grab ourselves a sword, and let's grab a diamond sword, and let's head down here. So down here, we guys can see that over here we got a creeper, and they spawn naturally day or night in the cold, so these kind of biomes. And you can see there I got an ice cream sandwich by killing that creeper. And if we head over here, maybe we won't find any, but I can spawn them in and we can kill them. They're pretty easy to kill, and you can see they all have different colors. So I believe there is 5 different flavors and 6 different kinds of ice cream. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds, and we can kill these 2 hits each, get these different kinds, and it's pretty fun to mess around with. So let's kill this guy. We'll get your brown or chocolate ice cream sandwich. And so yeah, the whole idea is to kill these guys. Now if you don't actually kill them, you guys can see there, they'll explode, have a pretty cool effect, but they won't actually die or make any damage to the train or land, and they'll drop a chocolate wafer, or for that case a chocolate wafer and an orange sherbet. And what we can do is come up here to a crafting table, if we have a crafting table out, and we can do things like craft them into other kind of sandwiches. So if we had enough of this, you guys can see here, we can do this like this, your 3 ice cream across the middle with your wafers on top. And to create these wafers, you want to just take some bread and cocoa beans. It's a good thing I'm right there by a desert, by a jungle biome, but you want to take your bread and cocoa beans to create yourself some wafers, and then you can create the different kinds of chocolate or of ice cream sandwiches. So let's go into survival real quickly, and you guys can see when I get hungry, these will actually heal 3 hunger bars when you are eating them. But this here will only heal, this ice cream you can actually eat, but they'll only heal half a heart of food. But they also have a 33% chance of giving you brain freeze, which is the same thing as getting slowness for 15 seconds. So if we head back, let's head back into creative mode, and let's actually look at the other stuff this mod adds into the game. So right here, you guys can see all this up here. You can see these chocolate wafers, all these different kinds. So you got vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and mint ice cream. And you can use these to craft things like the ice cream blocks, ice cream sandwich blocks, and like that. So I created a little house out of it. And to create the regular one, it's 4 ice cream sandwiches, and there, same thing, you just need the same color. And going down, same color, same kind, same kind. Now you can also create a wafer block, which is taking your chocolate wafers, bring it around, and that's what this block right here is. So if we place this, let's actually place all these blocks down. So here's the wafer block. Here's that sherbet. There's that. There's that, and you guys can see you can place them on diagonals too. Here's that. And let's see, here's this. So that's pretty cool. So next we have here this chocolate wafer sword, and to make it you take 2 chocolate wafers and a stick, and if we head over here we can start slaying these guys. You can see that they don't have much durability, so if we go like this, our durability goes down really quickly, so it's not super useful, but it's still a cool concept. Now you can see here you got your creeper sandwich helmets. Create it, you take your sandwiches, and you can have all different kinds and so on, and you can wear them and dress up. So if we put that all on, you can see we kind of look like an ice cream sandwich like that. It's pretty fun. And then next here we got ourselves these different creeper skulls. Now these have a % chance of dropping when you kill a creeper, and they're very, very random. You can't actually craft them, so you got to wait and hope that your creeper will drop them. So you guys can see we can place them just like any other skulls in the game, and they have different heads, so it's pretty cool. So finally, next we have here these different ice creamification bombs. So if we take one of these out and take a redstone torch, we can place these down and we can blow them up. Now when you blow it up, it will actually just blow up and it'll give you slowness for a little bit. So you guys can see I got a little slowness. And that's all I'm really seeing that these things do. Now if we take maybe different kinds, they'll spawn different things, but I'm not sure exactly. So yeah, I'm in peace, so that's why nothing was spawning. So maybe one more time, but I believe that when they set off, they're supposed to spawn creepers. So let's see, they got so many different kinds of these things. They're pretty cool. So to craft them, you actually want to take yourself an ice creamification bomb, which is crafted by taking gunpowder and chocolate wafers, and then 2 type of ice creams and chocolate wafers on the bottom to get the ice creamification bomb. Excuse me. And then you want to just use them, and to change the color of them, you use different sandwiches. So that is pretty much all this mod adds. One thing I forgot to say was this creeper doll. So you can see there, you got a little creeper that will face you, and you can break it, you get a little doll back. And to get these guys, you just take lime wool, 3 lime wool and 1 gunpowder, and you get a little creeper. So these are probably one of my favorite things in the mod, little creeper replicas into the game. You can see that it's a little glitched. Yeah, it's a little glitched, guys, a little glitched. And you can walk through them just like redstone torches, so they're little entities and they're not much other than that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please leave a rating and let me know how it did? And I'd ask that you please recommend some awesome mods for me to review. Not big mods, some little small ones that add awesome things into the game, because I'm looking for these specifically for a series that I'm doing that you'll find out about soon, but I need these mods, and I really want your guys' opinion for which ones you want to see me review. So yeah, as I was saying, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please leave a rating, let me know how I did, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.